So very quiet. To ask Mr. Ruben, who will be delivering the welcome. Has just been given a raise of 4.5%.
Tungkol sa managam ni Kuwa, may babi pinak. Na kalip sa atakap sila.
Nagrabatin na namin dyan. May bago betul teman.
Into a prosperous future. We are now seeing the fruit of many good policies you had implemented, to name a few, like buying